Hello, in this tutorial we'll delve into how to configure your environment, personalize it, and manage users, including creating or editing them. Additionally, we'll cover how to review or handle your account's status. To get started, we'll click on the Admin button. This section allows us to control our subscription, alter our company's logo, and set the tool's privacy levels, offering options like full mode, differential privacy, or total privacy. Furthermore, you can customize the menu buttons' names to better fit your requirements. Moving on, we'll demonstrate how to create or modify users, access the platform's terms and conditions, or even cancel or erase your environment. For this example, we'll click on the Current Status button to examine our account status, including details like the number of licenses or consumed tokens. On the right-hand side, we delve into subscription management, including renewing our environment, upgrading to more advanced versions, or purchasing additional Sumo tokens.